Ebenezer. You can also call me Honestypays. Now, before you can create a book cover, you have to know the type of picture that you want to use as your book cover, the type of design that you want to use as your book cover, right? So you can use that to create book covers like this, you see, and then this one, and then these ones. They are all book covers, right? They are all ebook covers. So let's learn how to do that. Before you do that, as I said, choose the type of design that you want. You can design, you can make your own designs, or you can hire somebody to do it for you. Now let's start. So after you have decided on the picture you want to use, now you go to the link that I've given you. So you click the link. Let me take you to the link. So you click the link. It will take you to the website right away. What you do is you decide on the type of cover you want. Do you want the single book covers, or you want the duplicated ones? So these are the single book covers, and then if you want the duplicated ones, you click on this. This is the composite book covers, right? So you go through and then you choose the book cover that you want. So let's take it as you want this book cover. You click this one, and then after deciding on the book cover you want, you come and click next, right? After clicking the next, you are supposed to upload the picture that you want to use as your book cover, right? So you click on browse, and then the browse will take you to your gallery for you to choose the picture that you want to use, right? The browse will take you to your gallery for you to choose the picture that you want. So let's take it as I want to use this one as my book cover, right? So after choosing it, then you come and click upload. You see that the picture number will be there, and then the picture will be uploaded, right? After it has been uploaded, you see that they will write 100% beneath it. So after writing the 100%, then you come and click. After you've seen the 100%, you come and click next. So when you click next, now you have two options. Either you want the cover to be in a PNG form or in a JPG form. The PNG form, you can later add backgrounds, okay? But as for the JPG form, it will give you an automatic background, right? So let me teach you. Let's look at how both of them works. So this is the PNG. You click on the PNG format, and then you come and click the mark, okay? The mark, the ones with a red circle. So you click it, it will change to green, telling you that you have selected it, and your phone will now give you the permission to download it. So you download. Now let me go to my downloads and see. So here is it. Now this is the PNG format, right? You see there is no background, right? There is no background. So you can decide to later give it a background if you want, or you can leave it in that. Or if you don't want this one too, you can come back and then use the, you can come back and then you use the JPG format, okay? So you click on the JPG, and then you click on the mark sign, correct mark sign. It will change to green, then you download it. After downloading, now let's go and see. You see the format. This one is having a white background, okay? So these are the procedures that we use in creating book covers.